like a boss.
All right, ladies, so let's talk about the signs that this dude's falling in love, but is hiding it. Oh, you think he's slick, right? But let me tell you something, the self is always coming through. No matter how, oh, are they open now? No. No matter how hard you try, the self is always coming through. So let me show you guys some of the signs that he's secretly falling in love with you. First signs, he gets offended. Like, honest to God, if you're able to offend a guy, he's falling for you. You can't offend somebody who doesn't have any feelings for you. You can't offend somebody who. Oh, are they open? 1 second, people. ¿Tienen enchilada? Hola. Hey, hola. ¿Tienen enchiladas?
¿Carne enchilada?
Sí.
Sí, hay carne enchilada, joven.
Oh.
Taco.
Ok, ¿cómo cuánto duraría para hacer?
Unos 5 minutos.
Está bien.
¿Sí?
Uh-huh. Hola. Just ordering enchiladas, right? So yeah, that's the first time, right? He gets offended, right? Because no dude who likes you will get offended. No, would not get offended, right? Because essentially, right, getting offended means that there's emotion, you know, like just how it is, right? So if you could offend someone in any way, do it, right? Because as a dude, when you offend me, you show me how much I feel for you. For example, I remember one time a girl did that to me, and she offended me, right? She said something mean. She didn't know she said something mean, but she saw my face that I was sort of offended by it. And she's like, "No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. I didn't mean to offend you." And I was like, "Don't talk to me," right? But yeah, it was a sign. I was like, "Holy shit, dude! I better be careful with this, man. I'm getting offended." The next thing is he reacts to you pulling away, right? That actually happened with that girl too. That she pulled away, even as a dating coach. I remember. I was like, "Fuck." I remember I told her, I was like, "Oh wow, you don't want to be my friend no more." But mind you, at that time, I was really depressed. I was going through shit right there. It was a bad time. She just caught me at the wrong time, and how can I say this? And I reacted to her pulling away because I missed her, right? And yeah, but guess what? So if you guys do this, if you guys apply my tactics, they'll pull away. But the problem though is that sometimes they're reacting to you pulling away because you hurt their ego. So what's gonna happen is that if you pull away, and then they return, and then you gotta do this again to keep them coming, then it means that this is not really love. But if you pull away and then they return and they stay, and you don't have to do any pulling away, then he's falling for you, my dude. Oh, girl, or dude, you can gay. Or the next thing is you can't stay away. He can't stay mad at you, right? That's another one. They can't stay mad at you. Another thing is they get mad. They get offended if you missed her birthday or anything special, right? So they'll get offended if you didn't go to their show or something. You'll be like, "Why are you mad at me? Why are you mad I didn't do that? It's just a show." Like I remember one time a girl that I really liked, she didn't go to any of my seminars, right? I'm like, "Fucking bitch, man." I'm like, "Bitch, I'm famous, right?" I'm not. I mean, really compared to fucking the big people, I'm pretty in the lower echelons. But still, though, she never went to my goddamn seminar, that bitch, right? But still, it offended me, right? And it's sort of, how can I say this? So so for example, if you've seen a dude and you don't go to his birthday party or whatever, he's not gonna break up with you, but he's gonna be offended. And he's gonna want you to make it up, right? So that could be a good way to do it. Just act like you missed his birthday or something, and notice how he reacts. Or maybe he won't even react. Maybe he'll post a status on Instagram and say, "Hey, I hate when people forget my birthday and shit." The next thing is cares for your safety, right? And that's a big one, right? He cares for your safety, right? And cares for your well-being. And that's something, I don't know if you're able to notice it. I don't know if you can sense it, right? But all I know is that when you love a woman, you care for her safety. You're able to fight for her, right? But I'll be honest with you, some guys are bitches. Some guys are fucking bitches. So they won't, like, if you just got hit like Kevin Hart said, then you just got hit, right? Like, Kevin Hart's so fucking hilarious, right? So yeah, man. What are some other things that I'm falling in love with a woman? Obviously thinking of her, but that's not something you could tell. A way is that he starts responding quicker to your text messages, right? Because naturally when a guy's losing interest, what happens? He responds longer. When a guy is falling in love with you, he'll respond quicker and start texting more. Look, people, the signs are pretty obvious. If you don't see this, do not perform mental gymnastics and do backflips. They don't like you. Stop looking more into it, all right? Anyways, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. If you guys want one-on-one coaching, go to mindfulattraction.org. I'm doing weekly videos on Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram because I'm doing weekly videos there, all right? All right, so
I want you guys to check out my online course. It's called
The Psychological Game of Attraction.
And in this course, I pretty much teach you guys all of the most powerful techniques to get a guy to love you. Let me show you. Let me show you some of the things that we're gonna talk about on this course, right? Because this course is pretty much a coaching session where I give you guys where each section, for example, right? Each section we're talking about the pre-honeymoon period, the honeymoon period, and the post-honeymoon period. Every relationship is in these three places, right? And so it identify you which what are the signs that you're in each of these phases, and then I give you guys specific techniques that are meant for that specific stage. All right. So in this course, you will literally be coached by me without being coached by me. All right. On top of that, I give you guys some of the psychologies of attraction to help prepare your mind so that you don't have unrealistic expectation. Right. So on the pre-honeymoon period, we have such thing as we have things such like of sorry we have something in the likes of introduction to the pre-honeymoon period, how to get to know a guy the right way, how to get to know him indirectly, directly, how to create a powerful reputation, how to create attraction non-verbally, how to instill thoughts of commitment, how to use weakness to create a strong bond, and we also provide pop quizzes, right? This course pretty much, I don't give you guys a bunch of techniques. I just give you guys everything that really works. I am telling you, these techniques are meant for specific reasons. I could have put out a bunch of different videos, but I knew that these are the videos that you guys need to avoid being manipulated, right? And end up with the guy that you want, all right? So I want you guys to check out this course, man. This course, I'm putting a lot of work and effort, and I know that if you guys purchase this course, you guys will be able to get any guy you set your mind to, right? So check it out. I provide free videos, so if you guys want to check it out, you guys can check it out absolutely for free. And if you don't want it, you don't have to purchase it, all right? Anyways, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. Take care. And the beauty about all of this is that it's only $99. And if you guys know my coaching sessions, I have coaching sessions that are over $1,000, right? So this is pretty much a way for you guys to get coached by me without paying a hefty price. And the beauty is that there's a money back guarantee. If you guys don't like the course, you guys will literally get money back. Look, these are the things that people can say. All I can say is this stuff is powerful. It works. Alex, keep up the good work by you putting everything in clear, vivid understanding for us and providing an example. It is really useful. All right. All right, ladies. So if you guys enjoy this, all right, ladies. So yeah, check out this course. It is the shit, in my opinion. I know you guys are gonna love it. It's 29 videos. So take care, and I hope you guys enjoy yourselves.